The cake is ready for Mom's birthday.
Good morning. Today is a special day.
Mom is having a birthday today. I know where Mom hid the cookies. First, we need flour, sugar, and eggs. Be careful! Don't spill the flour!
Cracks the eggs into the big bowl. Pour the batter carefully into the cake pan.
Now put the cake into the oven. Now, let's clean up the kitchen together.
Let's choose cookie shapes for the cake.
Mix the cookie dough together slowly.
Place the cookies carefully on the tray.
Put the tray into the oven carefully.
Now we wait for the cake to bake. The family waits together in the kitchen.
The cake smells very sweet now.
Is it ready yet, Daddy?
Almost, sweetie.
We have to be patient.
Dad takes the cake out of the oven. The cake is ready on the table. Look, Mom, I decorated it all by myself.
Oh, darling, it's absolutely wonderful.
We are very proud of you, son.
Look what I did, Daddy.
That looks amazing, sweetie.
We are ready for the party. They add colorful sprinkles on the cake.
The children look happy with their cake.
Mom is very happy with the children's cake.
The children are ready to taste the cake. The children taste the cake and smile.
This is delicious. I love the frosting.
We are glad you're enjoying it.
The children are happy to share the cake together. Mom brings flowers to make the table beautiful. That looks amazing, kids.
I'm so proud of you both. The cake is ready for Mom's birthday.
Thank you, my family.